Hey guys, so ignore my hair, but I just wanted to let you guys know, it should be in my description, but in case it's not, if you want to, in order to be shouted out, you need to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down Brandy Melville, so I know that you were the first to do it, and whoever is the first to do it will be shouted out in the next video, so make sure to do that.
Okay, so this is just me showing you guys like the jacket that I'm wearing, which is from SHOUTOUT, and it's very comfortable. Has nothing to do with the haul, but this first top that I tried on was this short sleeve ribbed shirt. Not much to say about it. Looks kind of odd because I was wearing a strapless bra. I paired it with these high-waisted shorts, which as you can see are way too big for me, and the buttons didn't like buttons, so it was kind of weird, to be honest. This next top that I tried on was this grunge short sleeve very pink shirt with these high-waisted mom shorts. It was very cute. I don't know, personally, like, I don't really wear shirts like that, to be honest with you, so I didn't get it, but I did like the shorts. This next top really requires no explanation on my behalf. It's super cute. You honestly compare it with anything, and I love how it's so casual and aesthetic. This next top I've literally been looking for everywhere. I can't seem to find it, so when I found it in Pakistan, I was really happy about it. And I love the look of it. I didn't actually turn around to see like the back of it, but I think the back was plain. So yeah, this top didn't even like button down. It was missing like a button seam or something, so I had to like hold it down. Needless to say, I didn't get it. This is a polka dot, very obviously form-fitting short sleeve. It's very cute. Honestly, you can pair it with maybe like a pair of like white or like black shorts and some heels and call it a day, so I really like that. This next top honestly looks like it belongs in like the children's place or Gap or somewhere where children shop, because it is a very childlike shirt but comfortable nonetheless. This next t-shirt is honestly something that I think I saw in like Forever 21 for maybe like $10. So the fact that Pakistan had it for $20, I don't really think so. But these black cargo pants are honestly a steal. They are so cute. I think they only had it in black, but it was very, very cute. I know like Brandy has like green ones, and they were honestly so comfortable, and they feel like leggings.
Okay, so the first person to subscribe was Annabella. I know you have a last name obviously, but I don't want to say it wrong, so I will not say it. But thank you so much for watching my videos. You always really comment on my like Brandy related videos, so thank you so much for being so active. I did subscribe to you, so thank you so much for that. And there you go. Okay, thank you so much for getting to the end of this video. Comment down below if you want more videos like this, or again, go to the beginning of the video to see how you too can be shouted out. Trust me, shout outs make a huge difference, so it's not just it's not like a mundane thing. But thank you so much. I can officially say I have my license in a car, so I will be doing my drive with me's, so comment down below if you want those. I'm planning to maybe film one, so comment down below if you want to see it. And thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in my next YouTube video.